The 1983 R100RS uses Brembo brakes. On the front there's twin discs. They're mounted to the fork sliders with these two bolts. And then this is the steel brake line that comes in from this fitting, and then the bleed screw here. Out of the fitting is the rubber flexible hose that comes up, and then there's another fitting to connect to a steel brake line, and a rubber washer here that fits into the middle fairing panel to secure this brake line. That steel line then runs up to the splitter. There's a second line on the other side that goes to the other disc brake. Then this is the brake light switch for the front brakes, and this is the inlet line from the master cylinder on the handlebar. So when you pull the brake lever, fluid pressure comes into the splitter and then goes down both sides to both disc brakes. The line that goes into the splitter out of the master cylinder comes in here. This is the fluid reservoir up on the handlebar, and that mounts with a couple of Allen bolts down here and in here to the handlebar assembly. And then this is the connection point here for that rubber brake line.